Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter arithmetic progression. Today we will solve the problem set 3. Example number 1. Find the fourth term from the end in an AP negative 11, negative 8, negative 5 so on 49. Which is the given AP negative 11, negative 8, negative 5 so on up to 49. If an AP reverse then the resulting sequence is an AP. दिलेली AP जर आपण उलट्या क्रमाने लिहिली तरी ती जी मिळणारी सिक्वेन्स आहे ती सुद्धा अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशनच असते. कारण फक्त आपण क्रम उलटा केलेला आहे म्हणजेच डिफरन्स बिटवीन कॉन्जिक्युटिव्ह टर्म ऑलवेज कॉन्स्टंट. Therefore, if we reverse the given arithmetic progression, then resulting sequence is also an AP. Therefore, we reverse the given arithmetic progression, we will get 49, so on up to negative 5, negative 8, negative 11 is also an AP. To find the fourth term from the end means where to find out the fourth term of reverse and AP. इथं शेवटून चौथं पद शोधायचं म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण ते उलट्या क्रमाने लिहिले असतं ते शेवटून चौथं पद काय होणार आहे इथे सुरुवातीपासून चौथं पद होणार आहे. Therefore we find out the fourth term of reverse AP. Here tell me A means first term. Which is the first term in this sequence? Right, 49. Now to find the common difference, we take common difference between any two consecutive terms. We take negative 11 minus into bracket, its consecutive term is negative 8. Minus into minus becomes as plus 8. कारण लक्षात घ्या समान चिन्हांचा गुणाकार काय येतो अधिक येतो. Here D is equal to how much? These two numbers have opposite sign, therefore we have to take subtraction. Here 11 is greater than 8, therefore give the sign of 11, and 11 minus 8 is nothing but 3, therefore D is equal to negative 3. We know that Tn is equal to, tell me formula, A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. We have to find out the fourth term, therefore put n is equal to 4. A is equal to how much? 49. D is equal to negative 3, n is equal to 4. We substitute this value in above formula, we will get T4 is equal to value of A is 49 plus into bracket value of n is equal to 4 minus 1 as it is into value of D is negative 3. First we take subtraction of 4 and 1, we will get T4 is equal to 49 as it is plus 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3 into negative 3 at it is. Now we have to take multiplication of 3 and negative 3. These two numbers have opposite sign, therefore we know that the multiplication of opposite sign always negative. Therefore T4 is equal to 49 minus 3 3s are 9. 49 minus 9 is equal to how much? 40. Therefore the fourth term of an reverse AP is 40. That means the fourth term from the end of an AP is 40. Second example, in an AP the 10th term is 46, sum of 5th and 7th term is 52, then find the AP. इथं आपल्याला 10व टर्म दिलेले आहे आणि 5व्या आणि 7व्याची टर्म दिलेली आहे आणि ती आपल्याला AP लिहायची आहे. That means for an AP let A be the first term and D is the common difference. Therefore Tn is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. 10 term is given, therefore put here n is equal to 10. We will get T10 is equal to A plus into bracket, substitute the value of n is equal to how much? 10 minus 1 into D. But T10, the 10th term is given how much? 46. Therefore substitute the value of T10 is equal to 46 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 90. Therefore A plus 90 is equal to 46. This is the equation number 1. Now The sum of fifth and seventh term is given 52. Fifth term is nothing but T5 and seventh term is nothing but T7 is equal to 52. T5 is nothing but A plus into bracket substitute value of n. We take n is equal to 5 here, minus 1 into d plus. T7 is nothing but first term A plus into bracket value of n is equal to 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 52. इथे आपण डायरेक्ट यूज केलेलं आहे T5 म्हणजे A plus 4d आणि T7 काय सांगता येईल A plus 6d is equal to 52. A plus A is nothing but 2A and 4d plus 6d is nothing but 10d. Therefore we will get 2A plus 10d is equal to 52. Observe the LHS of this equation. Which is common between these two terms? Here 2 is common between these two terms. Therefore taking 2 common, we will get 2 into bracket 2 ones are 2. Therefore coefficient of A is 1 plus, now dividing by 2 we will get 2 5s are 10. Therefore 5d is equal to 52. Now transfer these 2 to RHS, multiply becomes as divide by 2. Therefore A plus 5d is equal to 52 over 2. We will get A plus 5d is equal to 26. This is the equation number 2. Solving this equation 1 and 2, which variable can be eliminated easily? We eliminate A, equation 1 minus equation 2. Here equation 1 is A plus 9d is equal to 46 and equation 2 is A plus 5d is equal to 26. We have to take subtraction, therefore give the sign of operation here. If you subtract the equation 2, then change the sign of each term. Plus A becomes as minus A, plus 5d becomes as minus 5d and plus 26 becomes as minus 26. Here plus A and minus A cancel out. 9d minus 5d. Here 9 is greater than 5, therefore 9 minus 5 is nothing but 4d is equal to 46 minus 26 nothing but 20. Now to find the value of d, transfer 4 to RHS, multiply becomes as divide by 4. 4 5s are 20, therefore d is equal to 5. Now substitute this value of d in the equation number 2. We will get A plus 5d is equal to 26. Replace d by 5. Therefore A plus 5 into value of d is 5 into 26. Take multiplication of these two numbers. 5 5s are 25. Transfer this 25 to RHS. Plus 25 becomes as negative 25. 26 minus 25 is nothing but 1. Therefore A is equal to 1. To write the arithmetic progression here, the first term is nothing but 1. To find the second term, we add common difference in the first term, that means T1 plus D. Here T1 is 1 plus D is nothing but 5. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. To find the third term, we add the common difference in the second term, therefore T2 plus D. Here T2 is nothing but how much? 6 plus D is 5. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Therefore, the required AP is 1, 6, 11, so on. Hence we find out here arithmetic progression. The AP in which the fourth term is negative 15 and ninth term is negative 30. Then find the sum of first 10 number. Fourth term is given, therefore we use here the formula Tn is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. Fourth term is given, therefore substitute n is equal to 4. Therefore T4 is equal to A plus into brackets. Substitute the value of n is equal to how much? 4 minus 1 into D. T4, fourth term is given how much? Negative 15 is equal to A as it is plus, we take subtraction, 4 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 3D. Therefore A plus 3D is equal to negative 15. This is the equation number 1. Now the ninth term is given, therefore put n is equal to 9 in the formula of Tn. Therefore T9 is equal to A plus into bracket, substitute the value of n, 9 minus 1 is into D, but 9 term is given negative 30. Therefore T9 is nothing but negative 30 is equal to A as it is plus 9 minus 1 is nothing but 8D. This is the equation number 2. Therefore A plus 8D is equal to negative 30. Now we solve these two simultaneous equation. The variable A is eliminated easily. Therefore eliminate A. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Here equation 2 is A plus 8D is equal to negative 30, and equation 1 is A plus 3D is equal to negative 15. We subtract the equation 1 from the 2. Therefore change the sign of each term of equation 1. Plus A becomes as minus A, plus 3D becomes as negative 3D, negative 15 becomes as plus 15. Plus A and minus A is cancel out. Now 8D minus 3D. We change the sign. Therefore 8D minus 3D is nothing but 5D is equal to negative 30 plus 15. इथे लक्षात घ्या 30 साइन निगेटिव्ह आहे, तर 15 चं साइन चेंज करून घेतलं आपण, आता प्लस आहे म्हणजे साइन अपोजिट आहे. 30 मोठा आहे ते साइन देऊन टाकलं आणि अपोजिट साइन म्हणून सबट्रॅक्शन घेतलेलं आहे. 30 minus 15 15 is nothing but 15. We find out the value of D. Therefore transfer this 5 to RHS. Multiply becomes as divide. Therefore D is equal to negative 15 over 5. 5 3s are 15. D is equal to negative 3. Now substitute this value of D in the equation number 1. Equation number 1 is nothing but A plus 3D is equal to negative 15. Replace value of D negative 3. Plus into minus becomes as minus. 3 3s are 9. Here transfer this 9 to RHS. Minus 9 is becomes as plus 9. Therefore A is equal to minus 6. We have to find out the sum of first 10 term. Therefore we use here sum of n term. Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus into bracket n minus 1 into d. To find the sum of first 10 term, therefore put n is equal to 10. A is equal to negative 6 and D is equal to negative 3. Therefore S of 10 is equal to value of n is 10. 10 divided by 2 into bracket 2 into value of A is negative 6 plus value of n is how much? 10 minus 1 into value of D is how much? Negative 3. Now simplify this. 2 5s are 10. Therefore 5 into bracket. इथे मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना लक्षात घ्या 6 साइन मायनस आहे 2 चं प्लस आहे. Therefore मल्टिप्लिकेशन निगेटिव्ह येणार आहे. 6 2s are 12, negative 12 plus 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9 into negative 3. आता प्लस इंटू मायनस काय येणार आहे मल्टिप्लिकेशन, हे पण निगेटिव्ह येणार आहे. 5 into bracket negative 12 plus into minus minus and 9 3s are 27. 12 आणि 27 ला साइन सेम आहे लक्षात घ्या, म्हणून ऍडिशन घ्यायची आहे. सेम साइन देऊन टाका. 12 plus 27 how much? 39. इथे सुद्धा लक्षात घ्या अपोजिट साइन आहे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन निगेटिव्ह येणार आहे. Therefore negative 39 5s are 195. Therefore sum of first 10 term is negative 195. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also share this video and like this video. Thank you.